post-match review of Pepsi IPL 2015 43rd match played between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians at Chepauk. I am Sam Satyamurthy, reviewing the Pepsi IPL matches in this season. This match between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians was more important for Mumbai Indians because to qualify for a playoff position, Mumbai Indians were to win more matches than Chennai Super Kings. Chennai had already won 7 out of 10 matches and was comfortably placed on the top of the points table in the IPL. The Mumbai Indians has been fighting for a place with Kolkata Knight Riders, Royal Challengers Bangalore and Rajasthan Royals, who are playing better cricket than Mumbai Indians. But in the last 4 matches, Mumbai Indians has been consistently winning the matches, powering their way with the help of Pollard, Rohit Sharma, Little Simmons and even Parthiv Patel. In this match, Chennai Super Kings won the toss and elected to bat first. Chennai Super Kings openers were extremely good in the past matches, but in the last 3-4 matches, they have not been consistent in putting together a good opening partnership. McCullum has been very aggressive, but he is not able to extend his stay. And Smith, even in the past IPLs we have seen, starts off very well in the beginning of the IPL season and then slows down and people are able to strangle him down for runs. So it was very important for Chennai Super Kings to get a very good start, because in the past matches they have not been able to score a decently high score for defending. But it was Dhoni's good captaincy and a spinning pitch that has helped them to win the matches even though they scored low. In this match as well, Smith was tied down by the Mumbai bowlers. McCullum was tied down for initial 2 overs, but then after that he blasted off, but his stay did not last long. And after that Suresh Raina departed fast. Then Dhoni has not been timing the ball very well. He also couldn't push the scoring rate much higher. He was very slow for his caliber and for his reputation. Ultimately, it had to be Neki who had to push up the score for Chennai Super Kings. And with his little cameo, Chennai Super Kings was able to reach a score of 158, something which they were able to defend in the past in Chennai. And the pitch was also aiding the spinners. But when Mumbai Indians started off, both Parthiv Patel and Little Simmons played very well and they gave a fantastic start for Mumbai Indians. And Chennai Super Kings opening bowlers, both Ashish Nehra and Rohit Sharma, failed miserably. Chennai had brought back Ashwin, who had missed the games because of a finger injury. He came back into the team and he bowled really tight. Though he went in the initial over, he went for some runs. He bowled tight and in his 4th over dismissed both the openers. And after that, little strangling took place with the Chennai Super Kings spinners bowling tight and ball coming slow to the bat. Mumbai Indians was not able to push up the scoring rate, and adding to the difficulty was the run out of Pollard by a brilliant fielding by Dwayne Bravo, who also bowled tight with his slow varying pace. So Mumbai Indians looked like losing the plot around the 17th, 18th over. But then Dhoni, having no other choice because his fast bowlers had not bowled well and the spinners had completed all their overs, brought in Neki, who is a rookie for this kind of a pressure situation. He gave the ball to him. I would have gone with Suresh Raina, a more experienced bowler, to bowl the slower ones because he is deceptive and he could have actually made it difficult for Mumbai Indians batsmen. But Dhoni always takes a chance. So he brought in Neki, and Neki was taken to the cleaners by Hardik Pandey, who also had a good time in the field, taking 3 catches. So Chennai Super Kings lost the match because of a blitzkrieg by Hardik Pandey. And also one should mention about the options that were available with Dhoni when defending that small score. He continues to persist with both du Plessis and Ravindra Jadeja. In my opinion, du Plessis has not played to his potential as a batsman, and Ravindra Jadeja, both as a batsman and as a bowler, has failed in this IPL season. So he should quickly make a change and make it little unpredictable for the opponents by bringing in Michael Hussey and in place of Ravindra Jadeja, he can bring in Irfan Pathan. That would help him to win the remaining matches, because it is very essential for Chennai Super Kings to not lose out on the top position, because other teams are there in the final leg and they are all picking up. It is important for Chennai Super Kings to make some changes and come back to the winning ways. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to my videos and come back again for another review later tonight.